So, bear in mind it's -5. We are here to fix Vidhu's overheating car. Now bear in mind, this is the car that only overheats in such climate.
Okay, so it's a nightmare this morning, getting into it. It needs frost up, the window doesn't go down, so I have to frost it quickly because the airbox out. Yeah, that's a warrior right there. Airbox is out. Yeah, fixed camera over there. So airbox is out, that's the expansion tank, which I said was the problem all along.
Point at it. Ah, you can see it.
Yeah, and if I pour water in there, it'll be even more obvious. Should be able to see it dripping straight out.
To be honest, you can see the crack straight here.
There we go. You see it?
Now you can, yeah.
There we go. So
that's the crack right there, guys.
So that's made me a very happy man because now it's only a
simple fix.
Yeah. Now I've just got to figure out how to take this off. Well, we won't do that today, but once we get the new part, yeah, and we'll go from there for the rest.
So if you guys weren't aware, this E46 is actually very special because it's the only car that would overheat in like -2, -3 degrees. So BMWs are very special, that's for sure. Turn around and smile.
Look, that inlet is different to this. This isn't clamping it down or anything, so I don't see why it shouldn't. Yeah,
so this is the new air filter?
Yeah, well, my best friend scammed me.
Did he though?
I shall go beat. Okay, so battle scars. We have. You keep interrupting my video.
Oh, that was a bit punchy.
Sherby is driving the Porsche in some mild frost.
The car's not wanting to move, FYI, yeah? Can you hear it?
Yeah, because the tyres are frozen. The tyres have to warm up.
No.
The tyres have to warm up. Their tyres are frozen solid. Rubber does freeze.
Okay, you know. The car's not happy going uphill. It's not even, it doesn't want to go.
Because it's cold.
Wow, so the car also has feelings now.
Yes, it's cold.
Permit the car's
Okay,
feelings.
Sherby.
Hold on.
Sherby, if I
Guys.
pulled you out of bed at -5 degrees.
You did! You did! You didn't give me any compassion.
Okay, so I thought the smart thing to do is let's rip it all apart, let's find exactly where the leak's from, because I don't want to go order an expansion tank and then take the car apart and then find out that it's just the hose that popped off, or that the rad's broken, or that something else in the cooling system is the issue. So managed to take everything apart, and lo and behold, yes, good news, it is the expansion tank, which I think is a cheap fix. I've seen prices for about £30 to £60 for expansion tanks. I also saw a Mishimoto one that's metal for like 110, and I'll be honest, if I was going to keep this car for ever and ever and manual swap it and LSD it and all that kind of stuff, then yeah, I would go for that, but I probably won't keep it that long. So and you know what, a plastic tank has lasted what, 24 years.
I thought you said when this car dies you're going to put an LSD and whatever fuckery and refix it. What happened? You've given up on the
but I also just want to buy an M3, so we'll see. But yeah, I mean, a plastic tank has lasted 24 years. We probably won't have the car on the road for another 24 years, so another plastic tank I think will do. Okay, so what we've done is prepped everything. Airbox is out, which means now we can take the tank out, and the new tank has arrived.
New tank, guys. It looks like a dustbin, but apparently it comes with new clips, and that red thing that's inside.
Level sensor.
Broken. The other one was broken. So now we can't overfill it.
Oh shit, it just wiggled like it come out.
How's that going for you?
Okay, so it turns out that all it required was brute force, which is completely confusing in this car because some stuff you have to be gentle, some stuff you have to put brute force, some stuff it's just next to impossible.
Oh, it's that thing that was holding on to it for dear life. Move your hand out the way so I can see. So was it that
Yeah.
that thing over there?
That spring on my jigger.
Yeah. Okay.
And then we'll disconnect this.
Beautiful. So you want to show the part again, just to show people what happened, where it broke? No, you broke that. Where the actual part broke while you're replacing it. There.
So that's the old part. Pretty.
Hunt, do you want to show it? Do you want to show it? Thank you.
So that's a pretty big crack.
Yeah, it's the whole thing.
And then I did that.
Yeah, just try and get it out.
But yeah, this is a new sensor, by the way.
Is it really?
Yeah, we put it in when the coolant light kept coming on. I thought that was the problem. But
oh my god, that's the part you replaced last time.
Yeah, for £8.
Right, now to do the opposite of everything you just put together. So the first part you put together is that grey clip. Or that sensor, whatever you want to call it.
That's on, the bottom's on. Okay, I'm going to pour coolant in this. You're going to start the car.
Yeah.
And then we're going to see what happens. Okay?
Okay. What are you doing on the soda base, everybody? Alright, everyone.
Squabble up. Squabble up. Turn the TV on. Turn the TV on.
Baby girl, you are so pretty, 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 pretty. Baby girl, you are so pretty, pretty.
Can you have a look at the reflection in the mirror over there? Can you see something wrong with the car?
Let the thingy close. You can see it.
Oh, you can't see it, but we've basically got Cyclops. You might as well bring the camera with you, you get out.
Why are you angry with me?
Because I can't see you.
Wait. Not winking? Winking. Not winking. Winking! I've never seen him so fed up with a car. It's playing.